Okay, I'm back with this equation. As I promised that I will find out what is wrong with this, that we cannot balance it. It's a wrong equation, wrong balance, and I was, it was a solved problem from somewhere that I did copy, but it didn't work. There is no NO2 here, is the N2 gas instead of the NO2. And then it's not correct. The balancing is not correct. So I'm going to rewrite this. And I didn't want to leave the other presentation like that, but I had to find out what was wrong with the equation, that it was impossible to balance it. Plus the O2, that yields CO2 plus H2O plus N2. Now, to balance the equation, we are going to start with N2. We have 2 nitrogen, so we're going to put 2 nitrogen here. So we have 2 nitrogen on each side now. Then I'm going to balance the carbon. We have 2 carbon, so it's going to be 2 carbon as well. Okay, if I have the carbon and nitrogen balance now, we need the hydrogen and oxygen. So let me try to balance the hydrogens now. I have 2 times 3, that's 6, plus 2 times 4, that's 4. It's going to be 6 plus 4 hydrogens, that is 10 hydrogens. So for 10 hydrogens, I'm going to use 5 H2O. For 5 H2O here. And now I have to balance. The last thing I need to balance is oxygens. I have 5 oxygens here, 5O plus 4. So it's going to be 9 oxygens. And for 9 oxygens, I can put here 9 over 2 oxygens to make it 9 oxygens. Now, if we have a fraction as the coefficient, we multiply the whole equation by the denominator to get the new coefficients to get rid of this fraction. So the new coefficient for that equation is going to be 4, 9, 4, 10, and 2. So we can, now we have a balanced equation and a peace of mind. I was worried that it cannot be, I didn't want to leave the equations like that for you. Okay, that's the end of Unit 10.